the second rinse of acetone out of one side of that transfer tank. I pulled about, I don't know, 6 gallons or more bad fuel out of it. Just pulled off the last bit of the fuel that had some acetone in it to try to get the water to dissolve into the fuel, aqueate. I don't know, I ain't no scientist anyway. Yeah, she's pretty gross. I got half of mine to just flush this thing out with water and then flush it with acetone again later to help get the rest of the water out of it. It's got bungs on either side of it, so that helps a lot. Get all this schmoo out of here. Wire wheel at the bottom, she's fairly pitted. You have to hose her down with some SP400 before I mount it to anything permanent, but it's going to live on the Dodge before anything else. Of course, them handles are so stinking high. You have to be on the back of the truck in order to pump it. So I'll probably be buying some very expensive electric pumps sooner than later. Nevertheless, the other thing I can do to deal with this bad schmoo in the bottom of the tanks is those few loads of fuel I put through that transfer tank will go into rental equipment as well. That is how rednecks deal with that kind of problem.